how to make a donation form in Stripe. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make your donation form in Stripe. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is just go to a browser and type stripe.com, and on our home page we have this Start Now button and click on it. For using Stripe, first you have to create an account with Stripe. So for that, enter your email address here, then your full name, select your country and set a strong password for your Stripe, and after that hit on create account. After initial signing up, this is where you will get, and we have a lot of things here like we have payments, balances, and we can also connect our e-commerce website with Stripe so that we can accept payments. But for now we will go to more and payment links over here. This will allow us to create a donation form, so click on it, and from here click on the new. This is where we are going to create our donation page, and we have a preview over here too. And first of all we have to choose the type, and we have two options, product or subscription, and customers choose what to pay. First one is for the simple landing page, and second one is for the tipping, donation and all the things like that. So we are creating a donation page, so for now I'll choose this customers choose what to pay. After that we have creating a donation form, so we have to add a title over here, and right now I am collecting donation for aid for COVID-19, so I'll just write COVID-19 over here. And you can write the descriptions if you want, just write some words about why you are collecting this donation or why people are paying you for. So I'm gonna just add some words here like collecting aid for COVID-19. And now we have our title and description over here, and after that we have to choose the currency. I would suggest to collect donation in US dollars. After that we have to suggest a preset amount like this much dollars or what you can only pay for this. And we have another option of set limits where we can add minimum and maximum amount. So right now I am just adding this set limits, and I am adding minimum amount as $10 and maximum as $1,000. Now we have some advanced option over here, and I have pay as the call to action, and I can change it to pay, book or donate. Right now I am just choosing donate, and now donate is my pay to action. After that we can allow business customers to provide tax IDs or collect customers address, or maybe we can collect customers phone number. So for a donation form we don't need things like that, so I'll just leave as it is. Now there is another option we have for the, let's say for the display of the form, I would say for the appearance, and it's to upload an image. So all I have to do is just click on upload and select an image which I have already downloaded on my device, and then open. And I uploaded an image right from my computer, and now as you can see here we have our image, our cause as COVID-19, our description, and we have set the currency to accept payments, and we also have the minimum and maximum limit over here. Now this is the payment page or landing page we can say, and we have a confirmation page as well, like let's say if someone has donated $10, so this will appear on your statement, and you can also replace the default message with a custom one, like I would say thank you for donating to 5 people for COVID-19 or something like that, but I would suggest to keep the default one. And you can also choose whether to show the confirmation page or not, but I would prefer to show it so that the donators will know that their payment has confirmed or not. And now our payment page is ready and we can preview it, and we have option for different orientation, like how it will look like on a mobile phone or how it will look like on a desktop. So now we are done with creating our page, so let's just click on create link. So now I can just copy this link and paste into my website, or maybe share it direct via email, or I can paste it in my any of the social media accounts. And down over here I have information like my product name, which is COVID-19, preset amount which we have set none, or minimum price and maximum price. And we have our payment methods over here, and click on manage to turn on additional payment methods. Like we can see people can pay from any of the cards or Apple Pay or Google Pay, and you can see from what people are paying you. And then we have our URL parameters here and events here. So now our form is ready, and all is left is to just copy this URL and paste it into our website, or share it with your organization and whoever you want to accept the payment from, and you'll be able to accept donations with Stripe. So it's that simple to connect donation through Stripe. Even if you don't have an organization or just a volunteer, then you can also use Stripe for collecting donations. Hope you guys find this helpful, and I'll surely catch you up in the next one.